Hello. Welcome to Slowly English. I am happy you are here today. Let's learn together. Sit down. Get comfortable. Take a deep breath. We will go slow today. There is no hurry. Speaking slowly is good. It helps you learn English better. Today we will talk about slow English. Are you ready? Good. Let's start our slow English lesson together. Remember, we have lots of time. Speaking slowly helps you think. You can choose the right words. You make fewer mistakes this way. People understand you better when you speak slowly. Your words are clear. Your message is strong. Fast talking makes many problems. You forget words. You use bad grammar. Slow talking fixes these problems. Slow speakers sound smart. People listen to them more. They respect slow, clear speech very much. Your brain needs time to think in English. Speaking slowly gives your brain this time to work. When you rush, your brain gets tired. Tired brains make mistakes. Slow thinking makes better English. You remember words better when you speak slowly. You have time to find the right word. Grammar is easier with slow speech. You can think about rules before you talk to others. Read books out loud very slowly. Start with easy books. Children's books are perfect for this. Count to 2 between sentences. This gives you time to think about your next words. Record your voice speaking slowly. Listen to it later. You will hear how clear you sound. Talk to yourself slowly every day. Tell yourself what you see. Tell yourself what you do. Take deep breaths before you speak. Good breathing helps you speak slowly and clearly every time. Breathe between sentences. This gives you air. It also gives you time to think about words. When you feel nervous, breathe slowly. This calms you down. Calm people speak better English always. Practice breathing exercises daily. Deep breathing makes your voice stronger. It makes your English better too. Keep your body calm when you speak slowly. Don't move your hands too fast or too much. Look at people when you talk. This shows you are confident. It helps them listen to you. Stand up straight. Sit up straight. Good posture helps your breathing. It makes your voice sound better. Smile when you speak. Smiling makes your voice sound friendly. People like to listen to friendly voices. Don't pause too long between words. This sounds strange. Keep a steady, slow rhythm instead of stopping. Don't sound like a robot. Keep your voice natural. Slow doesn't mean without feeling or emotion. Don't speak too quietly. Slow speech should still be strong. People need to hear you clearly. Don't slow down only hard words. Keep the same slow speed for all words in your sentences. Tell people you are learning English. Say you like to speak slowly. Most people will understand you. Ask people to speak slowly too. Say, please speak slowly. This is okay to ask for always. Use phrases like, let me think. This gives you time. It shows you are thinking carefully about words. Don't say sorry for speaking slowly. You are speaking clearly. This is good, not bad at all. Your pronunciation will get better quickly. People will understand you much better than before you practiced. You will make fewer grammar mistakes. Slow speech gives you time to remember the rules correctly. You will feel less worried when speaking English. Slow speech makes you feel more confident and comfortable. Your vocabulary will grow. You have time to choose better words for every sentence you speak. Start very slow in practice. Get faster little by little over many weeks. Don't rush this process. Practice the same sentences at different speeds. See how your clarity changes when you speak faster. Don't try to speak as fast as native speakers. They have practiced English their whole lives. Remember, clear speech is better than fast speech. Good communication is the most important goal always. Thank you for listening to Slowly English today. Remember, slow learning is good learning for everyone. Practice speaking slowly every day. Even 5 minutes helps. Your English will get better with time. Be proud of your slow, clear English. You are communicating well. This is something great to celebrate. Slow English is beautiful English. Keep practicing slowly and patiently. I believe in you always. See you next time for more slow English lessons. Good luck with your practice.